A nailer consists of a nail gun that holds a magazine of 100 or more finish nails. A mechanism inside the gun uses gas, electricity, or compressed air to fire a piston that propels the nail out of the gun and into the wood. The best finish nailer can drive 15-gauge nails up to 2.5 inches long into the hardest of woods. Without further ado, let's find the top ones available in the market.
This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with the tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered. Plus, a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system.
DEWALT gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DEWALT 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish. Part of our ever-growing family of nailers.
For over 100 years, Porter Cable has provided and serviced quality power tools for the professional woodworker and tradesman. Tools engineered to deliver high-quality, professional results at a great value. We continue this legacy with the introduction of the newest addition to the Porter Cable 20V Max system of tools, the 18-gauge straight brad nailer. Operating on the 20V Max 4.0 amp-hour battery means more nails per charge. The flywheel mechanism provides power and consistency, while tool-free settings allow quick adjustments and simplified troubleshooting. Along with multifunctional LED lights, a range of other convenient features make jobs easier. The lightest in their class, the lightweight design, handle ergonomics, and a balanced center of gravity provide comfort during extended use. Eliminate the need for big, noisy compressors, hoses, or costly fuel cartridges. This translates into less setup and breakdown time, and effortless maneuvering on the job. No hose, no compressor, no gas. The Porter Cable 20V Max finishing tools. The power you need at the price you want.